In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to blur the background for an interview shot while keeping the subject sharp. This technique helps create a professional depth of field look and keeps the viewer focused on the person speaking. Let's begin. First, place your interview clip on the timeline. Now select the clip and go to the program monitor. Click and hold on the object mask tool. Use the object mask to draw around the subject, the person in the interview. Make sure you carefully outline the person's face and upper body so the mask covers the subject properly. Once the mask is created, go to the Effect Controls panel. You'll see tracking options for the mask. Click the Track Forward button and let Premiere automatically track the subject until the end of the clip. Wait for the tracking process to complete so the mask follows the character accurately. Now you'll see the mask under the Unassigned Mask section. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto the clip. Now, in the Effect Controls panel, drag the mask from the Unassigned Mask section and drop it onto the Gaussian Blur effect. At this point, the blur will apply to the subject. We want the opposite. Enable the invert option inside the Gaussian Blur mask settings. Now, the blur applies to the background instead of the subject. Increase the blurriness value until the background becomes soft and pleasing. Adjust the mask. Feather slightly so the edges between the subject and background blend naturally. Play the clip and make sure the tracking looks smooth throughout the video. And that's it. You now know how to blur the background in an interview using object mask tracking and Gaussian blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.